Temperatures right now are comfortable mid to upper 70s in the Austin Metro, Milam, Lee, and Fayette. We're starting to see some low 80s on the map. High temperatures by the afternoon expected to reach the upper 80s and low 90s. I have 91 in Austin, 89 in Georgetown, 92 in Bastrop and Lockhart, 88 in Lampasas, 89 in San Saba, 92 for Llano and Mason County. You can see the overcast skies, a little bit of clearing toward the afternoon and evening. Should be dry this evening. I don't see any sort of reason why you should cancel or rearrange your outdoor plans, with rain chances picking back up very late tonight into the early morning hours tomorrow. So looking at our rain chances around 2 a.m., that's when we could be seeing the most coverage in terms of who's going to be getting some thunderstorm activity. Clouds and radar right now. We'll see a little bit more sunshine west of I-35 toward Mason and Llano and Gillespie, San Saba County, and more overcast conditions farther south of Caldwell and Hayes. Now tonight, Storm Prediction Center has a level 1 out of 5 threat for most of us here in the KXAN viewing area. North and west of Travis County toward Burnett, Lampasas, San Saba, Llano, and Mason, there is a level 2 out of 5 threat. Let's put a picture to all of this here. Clouds and radar showing a continuing clearing sky toward the late afternoon and evening, followed by a brief shower. This is not a thunderstorm around 8, 9, 10 o'clock, and then we'll see more overcast conditions build in. A cold front's going to be moving through, so more of a linear structure of some strong storms will begin to approach Mason, San Saba, and Lampasas around 1, 2, 3 a.m. This quickly moves by through the I-35 corridor, getting close to 4, 5 a.m., and then weakening drastically. A few light pockets of drizzle throughout the early morning hours tomorrow, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, heading off into the late morning, early afternoon. Here are the specific storm threats. Unlikely for any sort of tornadic storms, and then in between that low and moderate category for hail, damaging winds, and localized flooding. So we just have to be careful. I know it's a low-end severe threat, but middle of the night storms can come in quick, so it's always good to be prepared there. Here's your weekend forecast. 87 on Saturday, a 10% rain chance to a 20% rain chance, and an isolated shower or thunderstorm can't be ruled out, going from 87 to 93 by Sunday. Through the next few days, we're now going to be entering this new pattern of warmer temperatures and a few daytime thunderstorms. Overall, low-end rain chances between 10 and 20%. I think a quarter of an inch to an inch through the next 7 days is the best case for most of us, with an isolated 1, 2, 3 inches of rain in some of those stronger severe storms. Here's the high temperature trend. Average highs 90, 91 today, back down to a cooler than normal Friday and Saturday. And watch what happens as May closes and we start June. Mid to upper 90s are expected next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Here's the KXAN First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. A little unsettled, with tonight being the highest rain chance at 60%. Download the KXAN First Warning Weather app for the latest.